What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So today what we're going to be doing is kind of show you guys how to test a brake pedal switch. So I'm kind of facing this issue right now for the race car where I'm trying to get all the lights and all the brake pedal lights, all that stuff functioning and working. That way when we start up the car we can have fun with it and drive it on the streets legally. So that way we don't run into issues with the cops. So what I want to do is kind of just give you guys an idea, because I'm kind of learning as I'm going with everything as well, especially with wiring all the headlights and taillights and all that stuff, inline fuse, building a fuse box, all that stuff. So I'm going to be saving that for another video. But for today, what I'm going to do is show you guys how to test a brake pedal switch. So the one I had was tested bad. Basically it just straight up wasn't working. That was factory BMW stuff, and again we have no BMW stuff on our race car. So basically I'm gonna show you, this is a new all-star brake pedal switch. Picked this up from Summit Racing. We'll link it down below. $7. Pretty good, pretty cheap, and it's awesome. So the way brake pedal switch works, so whenever you apply the brake, so basically it's gonna be going this way. So whenever the brake pedal is disengaged, when your foot's not on the brake, the pedal will be squished like that, causing this to be an open circuit, because when this is pushed, there's no electricity going through it. So that way your brake pedal lights will not turn on. When you press the brake pedal, basically it would activate the switch, which will pull this trigger outwards like that, which would then close the circuit, which would then send current through it. So I'm going to show you guys on how to test that with the voltmeter, because it's kind of fairly pretty simple. But I want to show you guys really quick. There's probably tons of videos about it, but I'm just going to show you. I want to show you guys my understanding and like how I learned and so forth. I just have a generic regular voltmeter. What I'm going to do is we're going to switch it to ohms. I'm just going to switch it over to 20K. You can put it 2K, whatever. So as you see right now, it shows on the voltmeter it says OL, which stands for open loop, because there's no current going through it. So whenever I connect the ground and positive together, it will zero out. That means it's a closed circuit. That means electricity is going through it, which would be current. So I want to show you guys the same thing with this. So as you guys currently see, we have the open loop right over here, and as we try to see best angle so that way you guys don't get a glare. Perfect. So as you see, as we connect the positive and ground together, we get it zeroes out. So same thing with the brake pedal. So as of right now, the pedal will be engaged. So the brake, because as this button is pushed, it's open, that means there's current going to be going through it, which would then basically we would have an closed circuit actually. So if I connect both these two together, it would zero out just like that. And then if I press this button in, we would have our open loop, meaning our brake pedal is not engaged, and then the lights would be off. When our brake pedal is engaged, when you press your foot on the brake pedal, which would close the circuit, which would have current going through it. So cool part out of these, it doesn't really matter which one's the positive and ground, because they're kind of both interchangeable because it's just a circuit. So on this one, it's pretty cool and pretty straightforward. Just connect one of your positive, one of your negatives to the ground, to this, and then that's it. And then connect it up. You can also adjust how much you need to do for your brake pedal wherever your hole is. That way you can bring it inwards or outwards, depending on whatever it is. Alright guys, so that's basically it for today's video. I know it's a super short video, just want to show you guys a quick rundown on how to test a brake pedal switch. And again, there's probably tons of videos out there, but I just want to show you guys, as I'm learning, I want to share that knowledge with you guys. If you guys haven't already, smash the subscribe button, like the videos, all that stuff goes a long way. And again, we're on our way to 5,000 subscribers, so go ahead, share the videos and everything like that. It helps a lot. If you guys are really interested into like how-to videos or how stuff works or anything like that, how to wire up headlights or taillights, again, you can check the link down below that basically shows how to wire up my power windows to a toggle switch, which is really cool. If you guys want to know how I did with my headlights and taillights, comment below. If you want to know how I did with my brake pedal lights, comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see, what you guys want to know. Again, we're on our way, almost so close on getting this car ready. Next two things that we have are our power steering lines, our clutch line, which is in the process, and then our ECM, and the car's gonna start. So again, before all that stuff, we just gotta tighten up every little thing, making sure we don't have any leaks. But yeah, that's basically it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Smash the subscribe button, like the videos, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.